Students, in this video we will discuss assignment question 10 to 14. So let us start. Our 10th question is, why should we wear light colored clothes in summer? As we know that light colors are good reflector and bad absorbent of heat. That is why when we wear light colored clothes, this reflects the maximum heat and it is a bad conductor. It is a bad absorbent of heat. That is why it helps us to remain cool. Okay, and so our answer will be we wear light colored clothes in summer because light colors are good reflector and bad absorbent of heat. Now our second question, 11th question is, give two differences between vaporization and boiling. So the answer is given on page number 21. Here at the page number 21, difference between boiling and evaporation has been given. Evaporation and boiling. First point is it occurs at all temperature, and in boiling first point is it occurs at the boiling point. Now second point, in evaporation it takes place only from the surface of the liquid. In boiling vaporizations occurs throughout the bulk of the liquid. So this is our answer. Now our 12th question is, what is the effect of following on the rate of diffusion? What is the effect of following on the rate of diffusion? Effect of temperature, density of liquid. When temperature is increased, density increases. Effect of temperature is that when temperature is increased, diffusion increases, and when density of the liquid is increased, the rate of diffusion decreases. Okay, when temperature is increased, rate of diffusion increases, but when density of the liquid is increased, the rate of diffusion decreases. Now our next question, question number 13 is, how does the smell of cooked food reach our nostrils even without our entering the kitchen? How does the smell of the cooked food reach our nostrils even without our entering the kitchen? So what will you say? As we know that the air has very less density, so here we can say, and the rate of diffusion is very high in the gases. So we can say that we can write the answer like this: the aroma particles of the cooked food mix with air and diffuse very quickly and reach out of the kitchen. Therefore, we feel the smell of the cooked food even without entering the kitchen. What will be our answer? The aroma particles of the cooked food mixed with air and very rapidly diffuse and reach several meters away out of the kitchen. Therefore, the smell of the cooked food reaches to our nostril even without our entering the kitchen. So you can write this answer. In general terms, due to diffusion of aroma particles in the air. Due to rapid diffusion of aroma particles in the air. You can write the answer. In short, you can write the answer due to the rapid diffusion of aroma particles into the air. But here you will explain it. Aroma particles of cooked food mix with air and diffuse rapidly and reach out several meter away outside the kitchen. Therefore, the smell of cooked food reaches our nostrils even without our entering the kitchen. Now next question number 14. It has 4 parts. We will take one by one. A part is, why is shape of solid is fixed? Why is shape of solids is fixed? Its answer has been given on page number 11. Here you see that in solid particles are closely packed and their position are fixed due to the strong forces of the attraction between them. Therefore, solids have fixed shape. You can write this answer. But this answer has been given in SAQ, short answer type questions. That is why you will not write the answer of A. Okay, because it has been given in the book in short answer type question. You will write B, C and D. So let us take next question number B. What is plasma? Its answer has been given on page number 21. Here the definition of plasma has been given. Plasma is the mixture of free electrons and ionized gases. You can write it. Plasma is a mixture of free electrons and ionized gas, and you can also write this. This is the fourth state of matter. This state consists of super energetic and super excited particles. This is the definition, and after changing the paragraph you can also write these lines. So this is answer B. Our next question is C is, why do we add common salt to ice so as to preserve ice creams or kulfi without freeze? When we add common salt to ice, it reduces the freezing point. It reduces the freezing point of the ice. That is why the ice creams are preserved very easily, right? So the answer will be common salt. When we mix the common salt to ice, it reduces the freezing point of ice. That is why the common salt is added to ice to preserve ice cream or kulfi without freeze. This will be your answer. Now question D. How is Bose-Einstein condensate formed? How is Bose-Einstein condensate is formed? Its answer has been given on page number 21. Here at the page number 21 under the title Bose-Einstein, under the heading Bose-Einstein condensate, you will write here, the Bose-Einstein condensate is formed by cooling a gas of extremely low density, about 100,000 the density of normal air, to super low temperature. The Bose-Einstein condensate is formed by cooling a gas of extremely low density, about about 100,000th of about 100,000th the density of normal air to super low temperature. This is how Bose-Einstein condensate is formed.